Hey YouTube, you guys don't tell TikTok and Instagram, but you guys are my favorite. You always have been. You've been here with me this whole time. We've been doing this the longest. This is the format that we're best built for. However, if you're following me on YouTube and you're not following me on Instagram, you might want to go check out Instagram because you guys get the majority of the stuff. You get the full build series, but it takes me some time to get around to getting that stuff online. Instagram usually gets pictures the night I'm done doing some work, so you can stay current on what's happening a lot easier if you go over there. TikTok's a new one. We're starting to put a little bit of stuff there, but the point of that is to try to funnel some traffic toward Instagram and YouTube. But for you people that have been with me all this time, I really appreciate you guys. I swear I've got the best subs on all of YouTube. So thanks again. Go check out Instagram if you haven't.